Hey, people of the YouTube, yo. Yeah, good intro, I know. Okay, so today I will be making slime with the first time with Elmer's glue. Got my big bottle of Elmer's glue here. It's like £14 for this thing. I know, expensive. But that's why I spent my birthday money on it. Okay, first you will need a bowl, a spoon, some glue. I'm using Elmer's glue for the first time. Activator. I'm using contact lens solution because I live in England. I can't get any borax. And I've got bicarbonate soda, so it actually works. And this should contain some boric acid or borax, and I'm using the Superdrug one, so let's get started. So first, I'm going to empty the glue into the bowl. I'm very excited. Oh, it's so cool. I'm so excited. I'm gonna go get some food colouring. Got my shaving foam and I've got my food colouring and I'm ready to roll. Guys, I'm so excited, and I've got like this really fine glitter, so that's gonna be really good. I'm not gonna make a massive one this time. I'm gonna make a little bit smaller than last time, or a little bit bigger. I don't know how much I've even put in the bowl. I put like that much. Is that bigger? Yeah, it's a little bit. It's kind of long. I don't know. Okay, so now shaving foam. Shaving foam. That's enough. This is going to be a fluffy slime. Okay, let's mix that. This is going to be big. I'm going to have to stand up for this. Okay, now I'm going to add the tinsiest amount of this. Because in one of my other videos, there was like a practice video ages ago. It was like actually ages ago. This was on the summer holiday. This is really weird. I have to like tip all of this out and I just like that much. Because I want it to be a pink and this is red. So now this is gonna go. Well, it's going like a weird white. It's not even coloured at all. It's like a really white pink. Oh, that's a doggy dog. Not a hog, but a dog. My joke. Okay, I'm gonna have to add more because that's just not enough. I don't want to add too much. I spoke really weirdly just then. Got my finger. Got my finger. I got it in my finger. My finger. This sort of melts it when it's in there. Okay. Oh, it's on the table. I'm annoyed. I've added way too much. Seems like this is going to be a red slime. Yay! Actually, it's turning like a purple. That's alright, I guess. But it's not the best colour. If I added like blue to that, it would be beautiful. I'm going to add that to the other one. That colour on my hands. Colouring. Oh, it's making it sticky. Meow. Oh no. Oh no, it didn't feel like it did before. Okay, I'm not going to add any more of that because that's just making it really sticky. I find that always like PVA glue from England, when like you see people on YouTube videos and they make slime, it seems to like melt with Elmer's glue really quickly. So, and then like PVA glue in England doesn't melt like at all. So that's pretty weird. The first slime I ever had, well, I bought it and I made it like way better. So I bought it and then I basically like built it to make it amazing. And then it went out of date, so we had to throw it out. And then then because I had all of these other slimes, I didn't have enough pots, so I had to put it in like cling film. My mum put it in cling film, and then it just went out of date. I told my mum that you're supposed to put it in a pot because in cling film it will go out of date and not go good. And then when you put it in a pot, it's sort of like preserve. Is that the word? I don't know. Okay, it's not really different to any other slimes I've ever felt, or any other. Well, it's very stretchier compared to the amount of activator I've added to it, and it's still sticky. This is a big slime. Didn't mean to make it this big. There's flies everywhere around me because I'm outside, so that I don't make a mess. Gonna put it on the table now. I think it's taking a lot more activator because of the amount of food colouring I accidentally added in. But it turned out a really pretty colour. Please don't overactivate, please don't overactivate, please don't overactivate, please don't overactivate. Yay, it's still really stretchy. I've only ever like twice overactivated this one. But I know how to like make it less activated. Add like loads of lotion and like foaming hand wash and stuff like that. Foaming hand wash makes it really stretchy and good. That's what I am. How did that happen? Shaving foam just spurted out the side. Okay, I'm done now. I'm completely done. I don't wanna. I love it. I love it. Feels a little bit gritty from that glitter. The glitter feels like you've added like a little bit of. That was like cooking glitter because we didn't have any more glitter. looks like I'm going like that. I'm not. I'm just going. I do that a little bit, a tinsy bit. Oh, got a hole. I was going to do a bubble. Why does shaving foam spurt out of it? Oh! Elmer glue does really good bubbles compared to... If I was going to buy PVA glue and Elmer's glue for the same price, I would probably get Elmer's glue. But if I went to the shops and... Because Elmer's glue is actually... So this one, because there's none of those little small bottles. There's only this size bottle at W.H. Smith, the one that I go to. So we have to like get the one that's really... Oh, that's really... What should I call that? That's really expensive. It's like, let's say, £14. That's how much it is. Okay, wait. I'm gonna make one more and then I'm done. I can make this one coloured greeny yellow. Okay, see what I've got the colouring. That's what I have. How did that happen? Shaving foam just spurted out the side. Okay, I'm done now. I'm completely done. I don't wanna. I love it. I love it. Feels a little bit gritty from that glitter. The glitter feels like you've added like a little bit of... That was like cooking glitter because we didn't have any more glitter. My hands are weird. When I poke, it looks like I'm going like that. I'm not. I'm just going. I do that a little bit, a tinsy bit. Oh, got a hole. I was going to do a bubble. Why does shaving foam spurt out of it? Oh! Elmer's glue does really good bubbles compared to... If I was going to buy PVA glue and Elmer's glue for the same price, I would probably get Elmer's glue. But if I went to the shops and... Because Elmer's glue is actually... So this one, because there's none of those little small bottles. There's only this size bottle at W.H. Smith, the one that I go to. So we have to like get the one that's really... Oh, that's really... What should I call that? That's really expensive. It's like, let's say, £14. That's how much it is. Okay, wait. I'm gonna make one more and then I'm done. I can make this one coloured greeny yellow. Okay, see what I've got the colouring. I got my green and yellow food colouring. Let's get started. This is going to be a smaller slime than they were. I'm not going to add shaving. I'm going to add like the tinsiest amount of shaving foam. Not as big as the other ones that I made, I think. Because when I pour it in, it looks like it's less. But see how much glue I've got left. Can't actually see it. Oh, doesn't matter. Really doesn't matter at all. Let's get the slime off the spoon. and it's gonna like ooze into the others. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put it there. This one's gonna be yellow. I know this is weird, but I'm gonna add the shading foam first, and then the food colouring, and then the bicarbonate of soda, and then a little bit of activator. I added loads of food colouring, so it's gonna be bright yellow. And I'm gonna add more shading foam. That much. I hate spiders. If you guys hate spiders, please comment down below that. Every single bit out of this if I want to, yo. If I want to, yo. Oh God, I've activated it again. Again. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. This is what happens when you overactivate slime and you get annoyed about it. Especially when it's Elmer's glue that you bought for £14 and you've wasted it. But now you're fixing it. I'm fixing it. Yo, yo, yo. I want to add this. Yeah, I'm going to add this to my green slime. Sorry, green slime, you're going to get added. Whee! Oh, this looks cool. Oh, it looks like... I feel like there's something on my thing right now. Okay, I'm just going to walk around here while making a swirl, because I don't want stopping on my hair. I'm going to end this video now.